Word order part 2. So in the last video we had replaced the indirect object with a pronoun. And this one we're going to use the same sentences, but this time we're replacing the direct object. So we know that direct objects are accusative case, and that would be this column. So this is what you had learned in chapter 2 and chapter 3. Okay, so first thing we need to do is actually find the direct object. The direct object is the thing being given, being shown, and being given. So in my first sentence, the bread is the thing being given, das Brot. Second sentence, the garden is the thing being shown. And in the third one, the car is the thing being given. Okay, so that's out of the way. Now what we need to do is replace these words with the appropriate pronoun over here in the accusative. Well, das Brot, that is neuter. So we're going to go down here to es and see, well, it doesn't really change. So es. Now the thing is, when you replace direct objects, and I rewrite the entire sentence, there's going to be a slight change in the word order. Ich gebe es meinem Freund. So let's see what's actually happened here. Subject, verb. Now this was my direct object. Svidai. So svid becomes svidai. Why does this happen? The way I'm about to explain this to you, you're not going to find in any German book, but it's just something I've noticed. Whenever you have one little bitty pronoun in your sentence, German sentences tend to want to protect that little bitty word by some bigger ones out on the other sides of it. So we've got our little bitty word right in the middle here. Meinem Freund, that's a big word, so we've got that over here protecting it. We've got a subject and verb protecting it from this side. It needs to be right there in the middle, protected by the big words. Like I said, you're not going to find that in a textbook, but it's just something that I've noticed over the years. So when you replace your direct object and you've got that one little bitty word there, it's got to stay in the middle. Now if you think back to the ones that we did in the previous video with the indirect object, the little bitty words were in the middle, so they were still protecting the little words back then too. We just didn't have to really change our word order. Okay, next one. Kannst du dem Kind den Garten zeigen? Den Garten, well, we know that's accusative, masculine. So we go over here and put ihn in there. Once again, we're going to be dealing with svidai. We're going to have to put that little bitty word here in the middle to protect it. So we'll get something like this. Kannst du ihn dem Kind zeigen? So notice our little bitty word here, it's in the middle. We got to protect it. Got to protect it from all those other things out there. Got big words here protecting it, big words here. So we want that in the middle to be protected. Last one, ein Auto, that is neuter. So we'll go to find our neuter pronoun here, es. Wir schenken, S-C-H-E-N-K-N, okay, wir schenken es unsere Mutter. I want my little word in the middle because I've got to protect it from all those elements outside. So a little word in the middle protected by big words. Okay, now you may be thinking that's kind of weird. Why would we change our word order? Why do we do that? Well, we also do it in English. You just probably don't realize it. I give it to my friend. That's word for word, direct from English. We give it to our mother. Can you show it to the child? So we do have this same word order in English, so if you ever get confused about that, you can try to see if it matches up in English. That will work as well. Okay, next video we will be replacing both of them, but that's another video. Tschüss!